We are entering the actual showroom of Thao Dien Green, and this showroom has been built already. This is actual pictures of the showroom we are entering right now. We are currently in 3 bedrooms of Thao Dien Green, and as you can see, we are looking at the kitchen right now. I will explain what will be handed over exactly. As you look in this kitchen, you see the island of the kitchen, which was finished nicely with marble stone on the surface. And as you look at the equipment in the kitchen, you will see you will receive the stove, the kitchen hood, and the oven, except the fridge. There will be no fridge in the handover. All of the brand in the kitchen will be of the highest brand in Vietnam market right now. Everything will be imported from Europe. For example, like Havler or Porsche. And the kitchen cabinet will also be included. Moving towards the living room right now, there will be no loose furniture included. For example, there will be no sofa, no tables, no chairs, no TV, no shelf, but there will be fully equipped lighting system, curtain, nicely finished doors and floor. Stepping out to balcony, it will look exactly like this, the view and how it's built, the balcony. And as you can see here, is this the view of 3 bedrooms facing the Saigon River towards the southeast direction. Where you see the door right there is the cover, the air conditioner is releasing the hot air out and is covered to make sure it looks nice. Getting back inside, as you take a look at the air conditioner, it's not separate air conditioner, it's centered air conditioner, which is, I think, is high-end standard. Apartment these days use this kind of air conditioner a lot. It's not gonna be a mirror like that when you see on the wall. It will be white wall. Okay, let's take a look one more time of our apartment, kitchen and living room. Moving towards the bedrooms. And first, we take a look at the bathroom. This is not master bathroom. This is a mutual bathroom for everyone. Right next to the bathroom, you see the kind of like a storage, a place for you to put your washing machine and hanging your clothes if you want. It will be hand over exactly what you see here in this bathroom. You will receive exactly as you see, 100% completed with marble stone and a high equipment of the bathroom, either Kohler or something similar to that brand. This is the first bedroom that we are seeing here. There will be no bed, no mattress, no table, no mirrors, but there will be the closet. Very high-end quality closet will be hand over. Full glass from ceiling to floor with view directly to the Saigon River. The floor will be wooden floor like this as well. Moving towards second bedroom. Same size with the other bedroom, same thing. Curtain will be included. High-end finishing wooden floor and closet. And this is our master bedroom. One special thing about this master bedroom is the very nice curvy corner angle. Right there you can see. With full glass from ceiling to floor, it increased to the maximum the range of the view for this apartment, for this bedroom. This is very rare kind of design in Vietnam market. We don't usually see this design, but this is what our clients love about. Every single bedroom will have its own closet. And there is an extra place for you to put your extra things in here. I personally love this bathroom. It looks very spacious, very modern, with the glass from ceiling to floor. Absolutely fantastic view. With the equipment of highest standard. Some part of the bathroom will be finished with marble stone. Everything you see in this bathroom is gonna be exactly what will be hand over. And that's it. It's a nice apartment, isn't it? Thank you for watching. I'll see you at the online launching event, 23rd of October.